Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to make your own fabric conditioner from scratch. Fabric conditioner protects your clothes. It strengthens fabrics and helps reduce friction while softening your clothes. Moreover, it helps clothes keep its original shape and reduce color fading. Now set everything, including your tools, raw materials, scale, and containers. Make sure to work in a clean and sterile workplace. Prepare and measure carefully all your ingredients, from water down to your preservatives. And make sure to always stir or set your scale to 0 before pouring your ingredients. Don't forget to include your container in stirring so that you'll only weigh your ingredients. Please refer to your module the exact percentage and measurements provided. Now, you need to dilute your fabric conditioner base, also known as quaternary ammonium cation. Dissolve the gel using 1/4 hot water of the total water content needed. Then add the remaining water to the solution. It may take some time to dissolve your gel. You can use stick blender or heat the solution to accelerate the process. After that, add the preservative while stirring in one direction. And then add QS percentage of water-soluble colorants. QS means it's up to your desired output. You can add as much as you want to, but don't pour too much or it will stain your clothes. Then next, add your scent and fixative or fragrance retainer. Take note that you can add more scent, anti-bac, or anti-foam. Adjust whatever percentage you add to your water. For example, from 0.5% scent, you wanted to add another 0.5% to make it 1%. You have to deduct 0.5% to your water to make it 100% product output. Now that you're done, time to pour your fabric conditioner to your desired container. And that's it. Enjoy using your fabric conditioner, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to send us a message at our Facebook page, Skincare DIY Point. Have a great day ahead. Bye!